Today is the first flight of my new 7-inch long-range drone build, and I'm excited to finally get it in the air. This build was made with support from Sequre, who sponsored the H743 V2 flight controller and E70G2 ESC stack for the project. The setup has been smooth, responsive, and perfect for a long-range build like this. Although quad needs some tuning, as seems cheap, Ali frame is a bit bendy. For motors, I'm running 28121115 kV motors, giving the drone a great balance of power efficiency and smooth cruising performance. I also added the M10-18 GPS module for reliable positioning and extra confidence during longer flights. And huge thanks to CNHL for sponsoring their new Lightning LIHV 5,500 mAh 6S batteries. These packs provide excellent power delivery and really solid flight times for a 7-inch setup. The goal with this build was to create something capable of smooth cinematic flying, efficient long-range cruising, and enough power to still feel fun in the air. After the first flights, I'm really happy with how everything came together, and this is only the beginning for this drone. See you in the next one.